So installing a UV bulb, you're going to look on your tub. All new tubs are going to come right with this little sticker indicating where your UV bulb is. If you have an older one, it's still going to be a nice easy way. They're always accessible. So you have to take off the panel. So on this swim spa, you have to take off the 4 panels. Strips. Now the minute you go to undo this one, this panel will be loose, so always start near the bottom. You can just loosen them off a little bit. Now if you have the access, you can take the door off this way. Sometimes, depending on your access for getting the panels off, you will have to remove the other one, but this one will slide down. Now take in mind, this one door, this one has your stereo wires and everything in behind it. So you don't want to just go pulling right away from it. The light just pops in and out of this stereo door. So if you ever taken the stereo door off, the light just unclips. The other stereo wires, it's better not to remove this. Everything's fed in a different way. Save yourself the aggravation. So we're just going to move that door off to the side. Here inside, you can see the UV bulb. There's your chamber. Now it is going to be facing what is backwards towards you. So you got your serial number here for it. Now all we need to change the bulb is we just need to take off this top lid. Now depending on your spa, a screwdriver, a drill will be too big to get in there, and these are just little screws. They're not threaded in very much. Depending on your spa, now the swim spa, we have a lot of room to work. You may need a stubby screwdriver and possibly bend the unit a little bit just to get a screwdriver in there, because it's going to be facing the opposite side. So we're going to remove the top screw. And then if you feel on the front, you're going to find one screw at the very top of the unit. So there's the screw. Now the lid itself just lifts straight off. So now we have access to where your bulb is going to go. Now with your bulb, they come with the nice little gloves to put the bulb in, because you, just like any light bulb, you do not want to touch the actual glass element part of it. You have the electrical connection, and this is what's going to plug into the unit to turn the bulb on and give it power. Now the bulb, so you see the little tube, the cylinder right on the inside, this is the UV chamber right here. So the bulb just slides directly down inside of this. And it's going to sit down. You just take the black cap, and it's going to sit over top of it. And you just do your simple connection. And then you'd put the lid back on, and your UV bulb is installed.